Sense organs.
Madam, okay.
These are sense organs.
Say loudly.
This is skin. We feel with my skin. And this is here.
Okay.
Listen with my
Okay.
ear.
Okay.
And this is eye. We see with my eye. And this is nose.
Oh.
We smell with my nose.
Very good.
And this is tongue.
Ah.
We taste with my tongue.
Thank you, madam. Parts of the body. Okay.
This is alphabet chart. These are all.
This is the rolling board. First, you have to say this is the rolling board.
This is also rolling. This is alphabet. This is their sounds also.
Okay.
A says a. The word is there. Apple. Like that. These are alphabet short and their sounds.
Phonic
we ask
sounds.
some questions also. How many letters in the alphabet? Which comes
Sound.
Which comes letter
After, before,
and before also.
Before letters.
How many vowels? Vowel words.
And
how
consonants?
Many consonants words.
Okay.
Like that.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Your name. Good name, please. First.
I'm Mahbubi.
This TLM belongs to maths. It is used to introduce 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 to 9.
Okay. What is vehicle that is?
It's train.
Train. Okay. Ma'am.
My
What?
name is Jamintar.
Okay.
It's belongs to English EVS. This is the month of year.
Okay, madam.
And these many butterflies there.
Yeah. Small
And,
butterflies.
Another day of the week. This is caterpillar.
Okay.
This is the present tense and past tense. Eat, ate, go, went,
Okay. Nice.
go, went, say, said, is, was, are, were, see, saw.
Okay. Thank you, madam. Very good. Both are. Or next yourself.
Sir, I am Tabassum.
Oh, big book.
So mine is big book of opposite words. So here, up,
Down.
down. So this is full, and if you push this, it will become empty.
It will go inside.
Yeah.
Then comes down, sir.
Yeah,
Show me.
sir.
Oh, like that. Okay.
Full, empty.
Okay. Understood. Very nice.
Next,
Uh,
close.
Open.
Open.
Oh, okay.
So on the table,
Under
under
the-
the table.
Good.
Next, big. Small, big.
Big, small, big. Okay.
Small, big. And tall.
Short. Good. Next, madam. Yours.
ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಸಮಾನಾರ್ಥಕ ಪದಗಳು
ಹಾಂ.
ತಂದೆ, ಜನಕ,
ಹಾಂ.
ಅಪ್ಪ, ತಾಯಿ, ಜನನಿ, ಅಮ್ಮ.
Good. Yours, sir.
US subject.
Parts of the plant. Plant.
Plant.
Okay. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ ಏನೇನು ಅಂತ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಹೇಳಿ.
Fruits.
Flowers.
Flower.
ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ ಗುಡ್. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್.